this right here is a little bird that fell out of the tree in our yard. And we don't know if he's a girl or boy, but we think it's a robin. Whoa. Yeah, wait. Oh, the critter's hungry though. This would be a first for me to be able to keep one of these critters alive, and we're trying something different. And we've had it for 3 days, and it's worked using tuna, believe it or not. Now, if the bird had been much smaller and hadn't started developing its hungry. I give it a little tuna with the water, and this is tuna in water. But you know what birds do? They eat the bugs and they regurgitate them. What I'm going to do is dip in this and that'll probably be enough. One more. And then we'll call it quits here in a second. I think he's had enough. Okay, so he seems to be happy. And so I'll pick him up. I just put him in there to kind of control. Now I put him in this big container because he or she can jump, and Melissa gave him a little beanie baby to crawl up next to, and he seems to like the little beanie baby. But anyways, we've kept him alive for 3 days, so that's a miracle in itself. And this will be the first, because I've tried this as a kid to save birds and couldn't do it, but maybe this time this is going to work. You know, Melissa turned me on the idea of trying tuna, which she'd never done either. So she's doing the main feeding. Anyway, we'll post more updates.